Okay. Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online class. Okay. As you know, this is your science class now. Today we will be doing chapter number 12. No, the Earth and its companions.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
BNS viral.
Okay. Chapter number 12. The Earth and its companions. Okay.
Sir, BNS viral.
Okay, see here, this is chapter number 12, the earth and its companions. Okay, okay, and you know that we are doing the question answer from the exercise of this chapter. Okay, in the previous class or in the previous video, one video has been uploaded yesterday. You must have seen that we are doing the long answer question. Long answer question, no? Long answer question, question number 1. 1A and 1B we have already done. So only the last question from this long answer section are left. One question only, question number 2 is left from long answer question. Okay. So we will be doing that question number 2 today. First of all, before starting question number 2, okay, let us recap what we have done in the previous video or in the previous class. Okay, we have solved long answer question. So I will write here, that is number F, long answer questions. Okay, we are doing. Okay, 1A and B have been completed. You might have seen the video. Those who have not seen the video, you must search for the video in the YouTube class and you will get it. Okay, just a recap. 1A question was, what is meant by rotation of the earth? This is page number 83. All of you will refer to page number 83 in your science book, and you must write down the question as well as answer in your science notebook, means science copy. Okay, see here, question number 1A, just a recap. Okay, I will revise this one. What is meant by rotation of the earth? What is meant by rotation of the earth? We have already done this one. So what is the definition? The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. Then the rotation of the earth causes day and night on the earth. The rotation of the earth causes day and night on the earth. Okay, and then number B, how much time does the earth take to complete one rotation? How much time does the earth take to complete one rotation? You know, the earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, okay.
Please.
Yes. Acha, okay. I am writing once again. Okay, I am writing once again. One 1B. Long answer ka 1B I am writing. How much time? How much time does the earth, how much time does the earth take to complete one rotation? Question mark here. You will write the answer in this way. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. This is the answer. I think all of you have got it. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Please write down quickly, then we will be doing second question, second one from long answer question. Okay. How much time does the earth take to complete one rotation? The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay. Then I will rub the board now. Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. Then I am just erasing the board, rubbing the board, because we will do number 2 now.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is question number 2 now. Long answer question, question number 2, page number 83. I have already written here. Okay, question number 2 is, what is meant by revolution of the earth? Okay, and what does it cause? Very easy question. What is meant by revolution? What is meant by revolution?
Sir, please, it is too noisy.
Yes, I request everyone to mute your microphone. Ayush Mondal, mute your microphone. Nobody will unmute it. If you have to tell anything, you please reply in the chat box. Okay? Okay. What is meant by revolution of the earth? This is the question. Another question is there along with it. That is, what does it cause? What does it cause? Remember, all of you will have to write the question first, then you will write the answer. I will repeat. No need to worry, I will repeat every question answer. Okay? Okay. So, what is meant by revolution of the earth? Write down. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. You will underline revolution. So the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. Then along with it you will write what does it cause. You will write revolution of the earth.
Revolution of the earth causes seasons.
Okay, very good. Very good answer. You know this one, you have already read in before. Okay, revolution of the earth causes seasons. Okay. So the answer is completed now. Okay. So that was the last question from the long answer section, and so we have completed the exercise of chapter number 12. Okay. So now I will just have a revision.
Syllabus.
Yes.
Sir, please tell the term to syllabus.
Okay, term to syllabus. You will get the notice. Okay, term to syllabus was from chapter number 6, parts of a plant. Okay, I write here.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, when will be my final exam?
What? Repeat.
When will be the final exam?
You will get the notice. Don't ask this one. Okay. You will be notified.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. This is term 2. I am telling. This is chapter number 6. Okay. Chapter number 6 is there. Chapter number 8. Okay. Chapter number 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So your syllabus is chapter number 6, chapter number 8, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, this is the syllabus for term 2 syllabus. Okay, now we have the time now, 5 minutes time we will be getting. So I'll revise what we have done from the exercise of this chapter, chapter number 12. Okay, please you can check your answer. Okay, we'll be revising from very short answer question. Let us revise from there. Very short answer. You just check your copy where you have written. Check the answers where you have written your answer. Okay. I request everyone to check. I think all of you have completed. Okay. See here. Now I will discuss very short answer question. Just a verbal discussion. Okay. Number 1. I am discussing from chapter number 12. Okay, very short answer question. Question number 1, name one constellation. You know, Leo. You can write other Ursa Major. You can write Scorpius. You can write Orion. Anything, any one. Next, second question, which constellation has a shape like a scorpion? So the constellation that has a shape like a scorpion is Scorpius. 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 Okay, then how can we observe stars? We can observe stars with the help of telescope. Okay, Ayantika, you have written there, repeat the syllabus of term 2. I have written on the board, you can see the board. Chapter number 6, chapter 8, 10, 11 and 12. Ayantika. Okay. Now short answer question. Question number 1. What are craters? This is very easy. Craters are huge holes on the surface of the moon. Craters are huge holes on the surface of the moon. Okay. Next one, question number 2. What do you understand by phases of the moon? What do you understand by phases of the moon? Okay. The day-to-day changes in the shape of the moon as seen from the earth are called phases of the moon. The day-to-day changes in the shape of the moon as seen from the earth are called phases of the moon. Okay. Then question number 3, A we have done only. The earth follows a fixed path during its revolution around the sun. What is this fixed path called? You will write, this fixed path is called the orbit of the earth. This fixed path is called the orbit of the earth. Okay? Okay. Now, what is a satellite? Next question, what is a satellite? A heavenly body that revolves around a planet. A heavenly body that revolves around a planet is called a satellite. The moon is the natural, for example, the moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Okay. Okay, Ayantika? Yes. All remember, I am telling once again, all of you will remember that anything will be there, you will be getting the notice, okay, in the website or by notification, you will get it, okay. Exam, how the exam will be done online, by online method, okay, as you are giving, okay, remember. You will have the notice, you will get the notice. Okay, now long answer question from the exercise of chapter 12. Number 1A, what is meant by rotation of the earth? What is meant by rotation of the earth? You know, the spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called the rotation. Okay, the rotation of the earth causes day and night on the earth. Okay, this answer we have written. Number B, how much time does the earth take to complete one rotation? The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Next, question number 2, it is written on the board. What is meant by revolution of the earth? What does it cause? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. Revolution of the earth causes seasons. Okay, this is the answer. So we have completed our chapter, this chapter number 12, the last chapter from your syllabus.
Sir,
Okay,
repeat please question number 2.
it is written on the board. You can see from the board here, what is meant by revolution of the earth? What does it cause? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. Understood? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. Revolution of the earth causes seasons. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This is your answer. So, okay. So, I will expect everyone, okay, your chapter is completed. You will go through the chapter well, very important chapter. And the diagram I have told you, I think, no? Diagram, I have told you to draw that one. The rotation of the earth, you will draw. You will draw the revolution of the earth and you will draw the different phases of the moon. Different phases of the moon you will also draw. Different phases of the moon, rotation of the earth and revolution of the earth you will draw from this chapter in your science copy. Okay? Okay. So, thank you everyone for the class. Next day we will be doing the revision work as we have completed the chapter. Okay? Thank you everyone and goodbye.